Milling cast iron just as quickly and precisely as aluminum with MX Diamond? Sounds impossible? Not for the new MX Boronite. Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at URMA. After the launch of the MX Diamond, which is made to cut lightweight material, the demand for a face milling cutter for cast iron and steel was high. Therefore, we have expanded our milling range with the MX Boronite, a CBN face mill cutter. CBN is a cubic boron nitride and the second hardest material in the world. We use a grade with a high CBN content in our tools, which gives them particularly high wear resistance. With MX Boronite, you can machine gray cast iron, hardened steel, and sintered powder metal very economically, with longer tool life, improved workpiece quality, and greater process reliability. And best of all, you get an excellent surface quality. The rigid carbide disc of the cutting ring minimizes tool deformation. This is essential for hard machining and gives you high precision milling results. With cutting speeds of up to 3,000 meters a minute and a feed rate from 0.05 to 0.3 millimeters per tooth, the MX Boronite is the ideal choice for mass production cast components, but standard geometry is also impressive for smaller batch sizes thanks to maximum precision and outstanding surface quality. MX Boronite is also perfect for complex parts and individual quantities. We also rely on the proven and tested interchangeable head system for the MX Boronite to make changing cutters as quick and easy as possible. The cutting ring can be changed in just 1 or 2 minutes and your tool is ready to go. In this way, we guarantee a maximum precision with a perfect axial runout without readjustment when changing tools and reduce valuable machine downtime. MX Boronite is available in diameter 50, 63, 80, 100, and 125. You can benefit as well from efficiency and precision in your production with the flexible solution for your individual milling operation for various materials. Let your URMA partner advise you now. We will be happy to support.